Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Claudia, international makeup artist, and today I'm gonna show you how to achieve this classic look with red lips and spidery lashes. And because lately I get a lot of questions about lashes, today I'm gonna show you what lashes I'm using, how I'm applying them, and also what sizes I'm using. As usual, I'm first making sure that the skin is very well cleansed before applying any makeup, and then I will apply the toner by Fresh in order to balance the skin and remove any excess oils. I will hydrate the skin in 2 steps, and I will start by applying this Feel Good Beauty The Good Serum, which is a very lightweight serum and perfect to use before makeup. After that, I'm gonna hydrate the eye area, and I'm being very gentle because this is a sensitive area. Then I'm gonna hydrate the lips using the Rose Bomb by Terry. And the last step of the hydration is this cream, which is called the cream, and this is the lightweight version, so I'm massaging it all over the face. For foundation, I'm using Dior Forever. This is the matte version, and I'm applying it using the iconic London buffing brush. I make sure I apply a very thin layer and I blend it very well, especially on the ears and on the neckline, because we don't want to see any spots. To conceal the under eye area and also any imperfections on the face, I'm now using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm applying it in the key areas using the Beauty Blender. Next step is blush, and this is a very important step, especially when you are doing a strong lip. You definitely need some blush. I'm using the By Terry Brightening Blush, and I'm applying it starting from the apple of the cheek and then blending the edges. And a great tip, especially when applying cream blushes, you can also use the Beauty Blender in order to further blend the edges. Because I want that beautiful glow on the cheeks and also on the face, I'm now applying the iconic London Luminous powder before setting everything with powder. When you apply your highlighter before your powder, the highlighter will pop more. If you want a softer highlight, you have to apply the highlight after you apply the powder. And now, if you want the smoothing effect filter in real life, all you have to do is use this Huda Beauty powder, which blurs every single pore. It looks so perfect. You can see the difference between the two sides. And I start by setting the under eye area, and then I'm also going to set the rest of the face because I'm going to use a powder bronzer. The bronzer that I'm using is Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. This is the lighter version, and I'm applying it underneath the cheekbones, on the temples, on the hairline, and a little bit on the nose as well. And in order to get rid of the powdery effect, I'm now gonna apply this hydrating mist by Givenchy. And now it's all about the lashes. I'm literally not gonna apply any eyeshadow on the eyes at all. This look is all about lashes and red lips. The lashes that I'm using are the Cupio Silk lashes, and I start by applying the longest ones on the outer corners of the eye. This is the size 14, and then I'm gonna apply the size 12 in the middle of the eye and the size 10 on the inner corners of the eye, so that the lashes will be longer on the outer corners, so that it will give that cat eye effect. And while that lash glue is drying, I'm now gonna use the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit in order to brush the brows up, and I'm also pushing them against the skin because I want that feathery effect. I'm now gonna apply one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational, and then I'm also gonna draw a few hair strokes using the MAC brow pen. Everybody knows that when you are wearing a red lip, it definitely has to be perfect. So I start by lining the lips with this brown pencil by Makeup Forever. And the reason why I'm using a brown pencil instead of a red pencil is because I don't want a very bright red effect. I actually want the contour to be a little bit more neutral. This next step is also very important. I'm now gonna perfect the line using a little bit of concealer on a flat brush. And then, holding my breath and using a very small brush, I'm gonna apply the red lipstick by Fenty Beauty all over the lips. And if you mess it up at this step, don't worry about it because you have concealer and you can always correct. Once the lipstick has dried, your look is done and you can definitely enjoy your red lip and spidery lashes look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was helpful, and also of course if you recreate the look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram story so that I can share your story on my story. Thank you so much for watching.